I have here a bookcase bracket that I want to cut out of wood or metal. And to do that, I've got to get a vector file into the computer. Using the logic tray system, this process is very easy and fast. I simply place the outline on the board and then trace it in this particular shape. I can do it all with lines and arcs. Whole process takes me just a few seconds. Done the outside, I'm now doing the inside. Each one of these little sections is an arc and 2 lines. Just go all the way around it. 3 points for the arc, then the end points of the lines. An arc, line, I got 2 more. An arc. 2 lines, last one. Oops, I forgot to hit start on that last one. Let's do it again. Stop, arc, start. I'm all done. Looks great. Let's save it as a DXF file and cut it out of wood or metal.